So here's me designing the clamps that you have, and I'm using Fusion 360, which is similar to Tinkercad, and you start by drawing a sketch of what the side of the clamp would look like. So here I am making a sketch and making some measurements, making it the right size and shape, and then I am making it 3D, making it tall, and then I'm duplicating it, so I'm making a second one. And the second one I'm changing the base to be curved so that it can rotate. And now I'm adding a hole for the bolt to go in, and that bolt allows you to adjust the size of the clamp. So I add that hole in, and then I have to make a matching slot on the other side. So I make a slot that's about the same size, but a little bit wider. And there's my two parts to my clamp. Now I need to make the base of the clamp where these two pieces will fit. So I got to move them next to each other and position them correctly. And then I'm making a little square base. And with that base, I have to make some measurements too. So I'm running off and I'm grabbing a tape measure right now in the video. And with that tape measure, I'm measuring the right size of our clamp. So I make a hole for the clamp, and then I'm going to make this one 3D as well. So I extrude it to be 3D. And extruding just basically means I take a 2D drawing, a two-dimensional drawing, and I make it three-dimensional. So I make it, a full shape. All right, so now I'm just adding some holes for the two parts of the clamp to go into, because right now it's like a solid block. So I'm adding two holes, just like in Tinkercad, how you can add holes to things. You do the same method here. I'm making sure the holes are the right measurement and just test fitting them. And I'm fixing this hole on this side. And then I'm making sure the hole on the other side works too. And now they both fit. Now I'm adding some curves to make it smooth and easy to print. And I'm going to send it to the 3D printer.